Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of plant-based milk. Over the years, these alternatives have become increasingly popular for various reasons. Whether it's for health, the environment, or simply personal preference, plant milks have taken the spotlight. Let's delve into the world of plant-based milk and discover the diverse options. First up, we have almond milk. It's been enjoyed for centuries with its mild, nutty flavor, perfect for your morning cereal. Almond milk stands out with fewer calories and less protein compared to soy milk. The unsaturated fats in almond milk are a healthier option. Did you know that homemade almond milk can be a calcium-rich delight? Moving on, cashew milk is a relative newcomer in the plant milk family. With its slightly nutty taste, it's a fantastic choice for cooking and baking. Rich in unsaturated fats, it's a great option for those watching their cholesterol levels. Number 3. Coconut milk. Ideal for cooking and baking. It gives your dishes a delightful aroma. From curries to ice cream, coconut milk adds a tropical twist to your recipes. And don't forget the thin coconut milk for drinking, a perfect addition to your coffee or cereal. Next up, we have hemp milk, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. Made from hemp plant seeds, it's low in carbs and high in those heart-healthy, unsaturated fats. With its slightly nutty taste, it's a great companion for cereals and a versatile ingredient for cooking and baking. Let's talk about the relatively recent addition to the nut milk family, macadamia nut milk. Low in calories and with a distinct taste, it's perfect on its own and an excellent choice for desserts and coffee. Number 6. The creamy delight of hazelnut milk. Its delicious nutty flavor makes it perfect for baked goods or a delightful addition to your coffee. And for a dairy-free hot chocolate experience, hazelnut milk is a winner. Riding high on the popularity charts, oat milk is a slightly sweet option with a consistency similar to low-fat milk. Packed with dietary fiber, phytochemicals, and antioxidants, oats are a healthy choice. Studies even suggest positive effects on gastrointestinal problems and cholesterol levels. Number 8. For those with allergies, rice milk takes the spotlight. While it may not have a nutritional edge, it's the most hypoallergenic option. Sweet to taste without added sugars, it's perfect for those looking for a gentler alternative. Lastly, the classic, soya milk. Still the most popular, it packs a protein punch similar to cow's milk. Fortified with essential vitamins, it's considered a nutritionally adequate alternative. With various flavors, soya milk is a versatile choice for cooking, baking, and your morning coffee. And there you have it, the diverse world of plant-based milks. Each with its unique flavor and nutritional profile, there's a milk for every preference and dietary need. Don't be afraid to explore and find your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which plant milk you're excited to try. Until next time, stay curious and stay plant-powered.